Hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will talk about a SUI. So if you guys are new on this channel guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. Sorry for these notifications. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, basically SUI is trading around $3.56, right? And the most important thing right now within this update, which I will tell you, is this thing. On 30th of March, I shared this signal in my VIP lounge, where I told them $2.31 was exactly where we were trading. I told them that once we will get into this gray zone, that is $1.72.5 or 73 cents, all the way up to $1.498 or what you can 4982 or almost 50 cents is definitely a buying range. That's where we will buy. And the best thing which can happen right here is that $1.72 was almost just tapped, and then you guys can exactly see this surge all the way up to $3.70, and it's up of almost like 117%. And this is how my members made some good amount of profits with SUI, right? So we caught SUI exactly at this bottom. This is $1 and almost 72 cents, and I talked about almost $1.73. So this was our buy. This is a deviation, this is a deviation, and then breakout, bullish retest, consolidation. One of the most important thing to understand right here would be, one of the most important thing to understand right here would be is basically this surge. And this is how we made some good amount of profits from here till here, right? And now the most important question is basically that where we are heading next. For this we basically need to go to the weekly time frame, and if you see the weekly time frame, this is a big candle with a big FEG, and we have left behind some good amount of demand back into this zone after this sweep of liquidity. So what I will say right here is, which is most important thing, is that we have left a lot of liquidity to the downside. We have left a lot of liquidity to the downside. We have left a lot of these FEGs. What is FEG? Fair value gap, insufficient price action. Insufficient price action means that the price is going only in one direction, which should not be overall if the PA is good. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, guys, that's even more important to understand. Basically, to understand that how many FEGs we have left to the downside. I know it's a good strength, I know it's a good volume, but overall, if we talk about PA, I really don't respect these sort of prices. I don't respect. Although this is also a pump. Pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace, and then we do not have any sort of FEGs into these areas. And maybe if we have left this FEG, we retest this FEG and then pump back. But we are not seeing these sort of prices. We are just going straight up with a lot of FEGs left. So I don't like this. Overall, in this scenario, the most perfect and the most ideal situation would be, if we test back these areas. This would be an ideal accumulation for SUI. That is from $2.35 all the way up to $2. This would be a perfect accumulation point. But you guys definitely know that there is some sort of a bullish strength left in this coin. We already have a rejection, but this liquidity is still unswept, whatever. But we have this rejection from $3.72 all the way up to $3.35 is the main resistance zone. So this area is a next area to bed. Very simple. This is next area of my interest. For now, I see a rejection here, and I hope it